Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Ruth, and today I am going to show you how I traveled to London from my place. It is the 14th of January 2024. It is normally 3 hours by train, but today because of rail works, the journey time will be almost 5 hours. It's 4 p.m. train and I will get to London by 9 p.m. from my local station, which is South Bank, where I will start my journey. It is very small train station. From here, I'm going to take Northern train to Darlington station. There's a few stops like Middlesbrough, Thornaby, Eaglescliffe, and so on. And this is Darlington station. I usually get LNER train, but today I will take cross-country train because of rail works. This is via Sheffield, and from Sheffield I will change my train, which is East Midland Rail, to London St Pancras. Darlington station is a busy station. From here you can get to Newcastle or to Edinburgh with LNER train, or to Sunderland with Grand Central. This station has cafe and shops. So guys, we have new information regarding our journey today. We are here at Leeds and the next stop will be Sheffield, and now the conductor said we have to go back to York because someone got hit by train at Wakefield, so no trains is going to pass that station. So we have to go back to York, but we will stay on the train and it's going to Chesterfield and then Sheffield. And there is a train waiting for us there because we missed already the train which will take us to London. So guys, we are here at Sheffield now, and the conductor said that the train will wait for us, but it's just left just few seconds ago. As soon as we got here, they just left, so we have to go to Leicester, and from there is a train waiting for us which will take us to London St Pancras. We just arrived at St Pancras station and it took us almost 8 hours journey today, and it's normally 3 hours, but because of all this happening, like all this cancellation and diversion, it took us 8 hours. So now we are here at London St Pancras. As you can see, it's still a lot of people. This is a really busy station and lots of shops and lots of cafes, restaurants. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.